everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to guide you through how to search on TikTok. It's pretty easy and quick to search for topics and explore through the wide variety of content in TikTok community. So before beginning, if you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Go tap open your TikTok application and make sure you're signed into your account first. Once you're in, if you'd like to search for contents about a specific video, sounds, hashtags or creators, all you need to do is to go to your Discover button at the bottom. You'll end up in this page. Now, you can also go ahead and explore by tapping on one of the popular hashtags displayed on the screen. Select the videos according to the categories of your choice, and you'll be able to scroll through contents by picking one of the famous hashtags displayed on the screen. Also, you can tap on the search button at the top of the screen and type in a specific video name or a specific person. Type in the username of the person, and you'll be able to view content from a specific person using the search area. You can also select from the top users, videos, sounds, and even hashtags options and search for a specific content that you are looking for. Type in a title that you'd like to look for, and the search result will show up on the top tab. Now explore the other search tabs for a related content. That is how you can perform search on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.